let me take you on a journey. A journey to the darkest place in the universe. A place where time slows down, where light disappears, and where the laws of physics begin to break. Welcome to the mystery of black holes. For centuries, scientists and philosophers looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond those tiny dots of light. But none of them imagined that space could hold something so powerful that even light itself cannot escape. So what exactly is a black hole? Imagine a massive star, 10 times bigger than our sun. It burns for millions of years, shining brightly across the galaxy. But one day, its fuel runs out. The star collapses under its own gravity. And in that collapse, it creates a region so dense, so compact, that nothing can escape its pull. Not planets. Not light. Not even time. That's a black hole. We can't see black holes directly. They don't shine. They don't reflect light. But we can feel their presence, by the way they affect everything around them. When a black hole pulls matter from a nearby star, the gas heats up and glows brightly. That's how scientists detect them, not by sight, but by their hunger. In 2019, humanity saw the unseeable. The first ever image of a black hole, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. It wasn't just a picture. It was a window into the edge of reality, a bright ring of fire surrounding a perfect shadow. That shadow was the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses that line, it's gone forever. No light, no signal, nothing can escape. But here's where the mystery deepens. What happens inside a black hole? What lies beyond that dark curtain? Einstein's theory of relativity gives us one picture. It says the core, called the singularity, is a point of infinite density. All the mass of a star crushed into a single point. But quantum physics, the science of the tiny, says that can't be possible. Infinity doesn't make sense in our universe. So who's right, relativity or quantum mechanics? Even today, the world's smartest minds, from Stephen Hawking to modern astrophysicists, are still searching for the answer. Hawking made a shocking discovery. He found that black holes aren't completely black. They slowly leak energy, called Hawking radiation, and over billions of years, they can evaporate. That means, even the most powerful objects in the universe have an end. But there's one more twist. Some scientists believe that black holes might be gateways, not just to destruction, but to creation. Some theories suggest that every black hole could give birth to a new universe, on the other side. Imagine that. Every time a star dies, a new universe might be born. And then there's the biggest question of all. What happens if a human falls into one? Time itself would slow down near the event horizon. For the outside observer, you'd appear frozen in time. But from your perspective, you'd fall deeper and deeper, until the universe outside fades away. You wouldn't even feel the moment you crossed the boundary. You'd simply vanish. Terrifying, right? Yet also beautiful, because black holes remind us how small we really are, how fragile, and how mysterious this universe is. They teach us something important, that even in total darkness, there's still wonder. There's still discovery. And maybe, just maybe, there's something beyond the black. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, those tiny points of light may hide secrets bigger than imagination. And in the heart of that darkness lies the story of everything. If you enjoyed this journey into the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because the more we explore, the more we realize how little we truly know.